Now I camp quite a bit. And when I'm camping, what I want to be able to do is really grab and go. I want to have a kitchen box like this set up so I know that if I take this, everything I need for cooking is inside here. That's the promise. And this is where we are today. Now there's a couple things going on with this project. Here the kitchen is sitting here in its open position. So let's break this down a little bit just so you can understand how this whole thing is going to come together. We've got our doors winged back, the wings on top here in an open position. Piano hinges are going to bind those together. We'll have a piano hinge here and here and here and here. With the base, what I've got going here is, in order to keep it lightweight, a taper cut into the legs here with this whole center section removed on the front and back, and then also on the ends. These are rabbeted together on the corners, and then there's a rabbet all the way around the top here, and these rails nest into that rabbet. So what I like about it is that, like I said, it's grab and go. I know that if this is sitting in the garage and I'm ready to go camping, I can throw my cooler stuff in a cooler, take this, the tent, the sleeping bags, and off we go and we're set. And once we're on site, you don't really have to rely on a picnic bench because of the way the top wings open. You have quite a large work surface here. It's a project that was very fun for me to make, and I'm very excited to pass it along to you. I don't know about you, but that's calling my name, and the woods are calling my name. See ya.